You Incorporated. That's the title of this video. You know, I've always told my salespeople, you work for yourself. This is your thing. And although they gave me lip service throughout the years, my in-house sales team, you know, to the point where I'd say, now, who do you work for? And they'd go, we work for ourselves. You know, they knew what to say. None of them really got it, I don't think. I mean, well, yes. A couple of them got it. Now they're competing against me. So they are my competitors now. But for the most part, I don't think they ever really took ownership. They just saw themselves as it was a job that they had. They were working for me. They were working for my company. They were working for their sales manager. They never took ownership. And I've said that to some of my freelancers over the years too, people that have helped me do writing and stuff like that. You work for yourself. Try to gain mastery. Try to become the best you can be. If you're just working for somebody else, if it's just a job, you're never going to give it your all. You're never going to master it. You're never going to become the best you can possibly be. And so You Incorporated means taking ownership. Taking ownership. So if you're involved in a joint venture opportunity, those are your leads. Those are your customers. You have to feel that way. Once you do that, here's a great quote. So you may have heard this. With power comes great responsibility. That's been a quote that's been out there for as long as I've been aware of quotes. With power comes great responsibility. Well, it's actually the reverse. Because the real thing is, with responsibility comes great power. You reverse that quote and you get the real meaning behind this You Incorporated, this idea of You Incorporated. So you're taking total responsibility, and that gives you the power. Now, all of this is really important to me right now at this particular point in my life, because an opportunity that I was a part of for 4 years is no longer. And this was a great company out of Malaysia, a company that I was looking forward to being with for many, many years. All of a sudden, due to situations beyond anyone's control, the company is now gone. And so all of these people that I got to know a little bit over the last 4 years are now scrambling. The ones that are doing the best at making this transition right now, which is a little painful because all of us loved our association with this company, and it was a very positive experience. So the ones that are doing the best are the ones that have taken complete and total ownership. The relationship that they had with their customers was theirs. So they weren't. It's the ones that are doing the worst. They never associated themselves. They were like my sales reps, you know, where they felt like they were working for me instead of working for themselves. So taking full and total ownership, taking where it's You Incorporated, puts you in the kind of situation where you have the power, and if something goes wrong in one area, you can be responsible and you're in charge. Hope this has helped. If you want to know more about who I am and what I'm doing, click on the link below. If you're one of my clients, thank you, and bye for now.